President Ramaphosa signed the Basic Education Law Amendment Bill, popularly known as BELA, at the Union Buildings in Pretoria.
The signing of this bill marks an important step towards resolving long-standing challenges in our education system. It was President Nelson Mandela who said that it is not beyond our power to create a world in which all children have access to a good education.
The debate on the contentious bill, now law, centers on the integration of schools that teach in Afrikaans. The Democratic Alliance has been defending single-language schools, saying it is important for children to be taught in their mother tongue. The DA promised to fight the legislation in court shortly before the signing.
We believe the bill compromises the rights of children to mother tongue education, and that's why I met the President on BELA yesterday, and I really hope that we can find a common way forward. But if the President does go ahead tomorrow and sign the BELA bill, we will have to consider all of our options on the way forward.
The African National Congress, however, argues that students are being excluded from some schools because of the language they speak, which it says has been used as a proxy for racial exclusion. Afrikaans was promoted by South Africa's white minority rulers under apartheid.
The language issue is a major issue in this regard. And primarily, it's about the use of Afrikaans as a medium of instruction, which is seen as an attempt to exclude people that are not able to speak Afrikaans. And the Afrikaans-speaking schools are unfortunately, depending on the way you are looking at the situation, the schools that are performing the best. And in a way, the BELA legislation is an attempt to opening up these schools for all people, but at the expense of the Afrikaans language.
Part of the bill gives provincial education departments the power to determine a school's language policy and admit pupils to public schools, shifting it away from school governing bodies. To prevent more friction between the parties, President Ramaphosa has delayed the implementation of the most controversial parts of the new law to allow for more consultation and possibly amendments. Sharon Baranga, CGTN.